Thousands have died after a powerful 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck Morocco last Friday night, according to the country's minister. Authorities expect to try to raise as the rich research country and rescue such remote areas. It's really sad, and may their soul rest in eternal peace. Apparently, some of them are on streets due to the fact that they have incurred a very serious earthquake that has left many dead and others homeless. It's really sad. I think many people have gone onto their social media platform to post what has happened to the country called Morocco, and it's really sad.